The ready is a less common but flexible opening that controls the center with the knight before committing a pawn. d5 occupies the center and controls the e4 and c4 squares. Not the best move, but not bad either. They made one of the top moves in this position. This prepares your bishop for development. They did not find the right idea. You win time by threatening a bishop. Their better move was to move a bishop to safety. You are now able to kick a bishop. You kick the opposing bishop with a pawn, forcing it away. A correct move to get their bishop out of harm's way. You are forcing your opponent to double pawns. A straightforward recapture. Very good choice. Decent move, but they had a better one. Your opening setup's taking shape nicely. Their best option was to develop a knight off its starting square. You are threatening to force eventual checkmate. You are now able to force eventual checkmate. Your opponent will be forced into checkmate if you find the right moves. They move their king out of the check from your bishop. Congrats on your win.